Hi, good evening. This is Scott at Scott Trades on Twitter with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. A few weeks ago, I was talking about some aerospace and defense names that I was watching, one of which was RTX. Raytheon has finally broken out of this downward sloping trend line, and Dan Fitzpatrick at StockMarketMentor.com actually put this on our active trade list. And so we're definitely keeping an eye on this stock right here. But there's another aerospace and defense name that I think could be close to a breakout. That's NOC, Northrop Grumman Corporation. I believe they put laser beams on the head of sharks. I think that's what they do. But as you can see from the chart here, it is consolidating right near a clear level of resistance, right around that 492, 492, can't get up, and now we're right underneath 492.60-ish. And so I think that's definitely a clear level that I would be watching for a breakout out of this consolidation zone. You can see that Northrop Grumman has been going sideways for about 5, almost 6 months here. That's a pretty nice base. The longer the base, the higher the space. And so that's one of the reasons that I like this chart and think it's definitely one you should add to your watch list. I'm going to set an alert on my chart here right around that 492.60 level and watch for a strong break above that zone coming on volume. So I hope that video is helpful. Hey, give me a follow on Twitter if you don't already, at Scott Trades. And be sure and check out what we're up to over at StockMarketMentor.com. Click the link, take a trial, and I'll see you on the other side.